Embark on a gastronomic adventure as we delve deep into the fascinating universe of fermented foods in our latest video, Culinary Alchemy, exploring the world of fermented foods. In this culinary journey, we unravel the secrets behind the ancient art of fermentation, showcasing the diverse array of flavors, textures, and health benefits that these transformative processes bring to our plates. The timeless tradition of fermentation. We kick off our exploration by delving into the rich history of fermentation, a culinary technique that predates modern civilization. From pickles to kimchi, sauerkraut to miso, we traverse the globe to uncover the cultural significance and time-honored traditions associated with fermented foods. The science behind the magic. Dive into the microbial world as we unravel the science behind fermentation. Understand how beneficial bacteria transform ordinary ingredients into culinary masterpieces, enhancing not only the taste but also the nutritional profile of foods. From probiotics to enzymes, discover the health benefits that make fermented foods a powerhouse for gut health. Fermentation across cultures. Explore the diverse tapestry of global cuisines as we highlight unique fermented delicacies from different corners of the world. From the tangy notes of Korean kimchi to the bold flavors of German sauerkraut, witness the artistry of fermentation as it takes on various forms, reflecting the distinct palates and culinary traditions of different cultures. DIY fermentation. Ready to roll up your sleeves? Join us in the kitchen as we guide you through the basics of DIY fermentation. Learn the fundamental techniques, essential ingredients, and handy tips to kickstart your fermentation journey at home. From sourdough starters to kombucha brewing, we demystify the process, empowering you to become a fermentation enthusiast in your own kitchen. Health benefits of fermented foods. Beyond the delectable flavors, fermented foods offer a myriad of health benefits. We explore how these culinary creations contribute to digestive health, boost immunity, and provide a natural source of probiotics. Uncover the science-backed reasons why incorporating fermented foods into your diet can be a game-changer for your well-being. Innovations in fermentation. The world of fermented foods is evolving, with contemporary chefs and food artisans pushing the boundaries of creativity. Discover innovative takes on fermentation, from experimental flavor combinations to the incorporation of unconventional ingredients. Witness how fermentation is not just a traditional craft but a dynamic and evolving aspect of modern culinary arts. As our culinary journey through the world of fermented foods draws to a close, it's evident that this age-old technique is far more than a preservation method. It's a celebration of flavors, cultures, and the art of transformation. Join us in embracing the magic of fermentation, whether you're a seasoned food enthusiast or a curious beginner. Hit that subscribe button, share the video with fellow foodies, and let's embark on a delicious expedition through the enchanting world of fermented foods together.